In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default voice that is available in ChatGPT. So I have written a prompt here. I have just asked ChatGPT, how are you? So it says something like this. Read aloud.
I'm doing well, Saad. How about you? How can I assist you today?
So if you want to change this voice to some other person, what you do is just click on this profile icon right here and click on settings and go to speech. From here, we have different options. We can change it to, let's say, Amber, or let's say Arbor. Let's close out of here. It sounds something like this.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do
Let's close out of here and let's read aloud.
I'm doing well, Saad. How about you? How can I assist you today?
So that's interesting. This is how you can play around and test different voices, whatever suits you. So this is great, and this should be able to read in multiple languages as well. Write your answer in Hindi and let's speak.
मैं ठीक हूँ साद, आप कैसे हैं? आज मैं आपकी किस तरह मदद कर सकता हूँ?
So as you can see, guys, this is pretty amazing. This is how you can change different voice styles in ChatGPT. Just try this by yourself and subscribe to our channel for all the amazing tips and tricks here on this channel. Thank you.